Welcome to Lifestyle Matters. I'm Marilyn Moore, and we are at IQ Vision Care in Clovis with Dr. Holt. And if you didn't know, they have an amazing pediatric eye care facility. And on top of that, they are involved in local nonprofits such as Reading Hearts. And we've got a special guest with us in a bit from Reading Hearts. But first, Doctor, let's talk about the pediatric eye care facility. So why is it so important to get your eyes checked at a young age?
Well, babies do not have very good vision at birth. And a lot of parents do not realize that children have to develop vision. Children are actively developing throughout their childhood a lot of things. They learn to speak, they learn to walk, they learn to read, but they have to actually learn vision. And if there are a lot of problems that can come up that can get in the way of children learning vision.
Now, how young do you recommend someone come in here to get their first eye exam?
Well, that kind of depends. If there's a family history of any eye problems in childhood, then we definitely want to see those kids earlier than the onset of whatever that was in the family. If there's no family history, then it's very important that children have their regular well-child checkups with their pediatrician. The American Academy of Pediatrics has excellent guidelines for pediatricians in terms of what needs to be done at the well-child checkups, and vision checks are a part of that. So if their pediatrician finds anything at all that they're concerned about, then they will send them in for a specialty evaluation here.
Now, what kind of eye conditions do you treat here?
Anything that happens in kids. We treat from the youngest babies all the way up to teenagers, and lots of different things can happen. Some of them are very complex or threatening to vision. Some of these kids have very serious conditions, to kids that may just need glasses to help them in school.
A lot of different, things you're treating here. And what do you think sets you apart from other pediatric eye care facilities?
Well, we made a dedicated space just for pediatrics and incorporated it into our larger office to allow us to provide state-of-the-art care for these kids of all ages and different complexities of things that can come in.
Like I said, you have a beautiful facility here. And also, it's important for you to all be involved in local nonprofits such as Reading Hearts. And we've got Danae with us, the founder of Reading Hearts. Thanks for joining us, Danae.
You're welcome.
Now, why don't you tell me more about Reading Hearts? I just talked a little bit about it, but you know everything.
So, Reading Heart is a book donation program for kids in the hospital and for kids in underserved areas. What we do is that we try to teach kids how to read, and we like to work with IQ to help kids.
And now, how does IQ get involved with Reading Hearts?
Well, IQ is involved in a lot of mostly local not-for-profit organizations. And our IQ Cares committee, as soon as they found out about Reading Heart and told me about it, I immediately wanted IQ to become involved.
And how are you, directly involved with Reading Hearts?
Well, we help to support their not-for-profit. IQ as a company, as well as the employees of IQ, actually donate a lot of the employees donate a portion of their paychecks to help support Reading Heart. And then we have participated in an internal book drive here at IQ, as well as a couple of other events that Reading Heart has done. We participated in a book drive at Fresno State, as well as a reading event at the Storyland.
Yeah, that's awesome. And Danae, how many books have you raised this far?
Over 500,000 books.
Goodness. Now, do those all go to local hospitals and children locally in the Valley?
They normally do, but we're trying to reach hospitals outside of Fresno.
Now, how did you get so passionate about all of this?
Well, I started getting passionate because I love to read, and so I just wanted to share my passion of reading.
Reading makes you so smart, and you've got some glasses on, I see. Now, did Dr. Holt help you get those?
Yes.
And how is, the whole experience here at IQ Vision Care?
I thought it was awesome.
It was awesome. So you would say Dr. Holt is a great doctor?
Yes.
I love it. Now, Dr. Holt, why is it so important just for all of you here as a whole to be involved in all of these, local organizations, especially Reading Hearts?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, well, we really want to focus our charitable efforts on organizations that directly benefit our local community here. And it's important to IQ to try and foster the health and happiness of the children in the Central Valley. And so what better way to help than to try and help an organization that is encouraging children to develop reading and learning And we just love the idea and things that Reading Heart has done, and wanted to support them.
I love it. Now, Danae, how can our viewers get involved and help you out?
Well, they can help out by going on our website, readingheart.org, and donating a small amount of money, or they could call my dad, and we can pick up the books.
So you actually you go pick up books.
Yes, we do.
Now, do you have any drop-off where people can go drop off these books?
Yes, we do have drop-off locations, but I can't really remember the exact locations.
No worries. Go online, right? And we can figure that all out. Well, thank you so much, Dr. Holt. IQ Vision Care is a great facility, and you have a great pediatric facility. And thank you so much, Danae. Reading Hearts is an amazing organization. You're watching Lifestyle Matters. I'm Marilyn Moore.